name's Mitski, and we're going to watch a dragon boat racing. Come and join with me. We've just got to the dragon boat racing in St. Neots. Let's go and have a blast. It's this way, down here, like this. Keep following me. This is a massive event, so if anyone gets hurt, we've got the ambulance here. Look, the boat race is about to start. Let's see who wins. Look. Had a really good time at the dragon boat racing today in St. Neots. Hope you have enjoyed my video. If you would like to see more, please visit Minsky. Bye!